Hello, we are showing our Nerf guns today. So we will be showing you like what their names are and everything. Alright, now this is a Buzzbee Nerf gun, but I don't want to shoot it. It works really good, and it's a good Nerf gun. Yeah, it's a shotgun. Here's a pistol Nerf gun, works really good. And you can, it goes like at least 45 feet. And here's a good gun, and test it on my brother. Just kidding. I got so much wood, I could build me a fort. So, this is another Nerf gun. Frickin' this one shoots like... Want me to test it on my brother?
Where's the head?
Give it back. I shot his head off. Blew his brain. Here's another Buzzbee gun. Shoots far, but not the best.
What about this?
Fill up the ammo. First, let me have that motherfucking torch on. Can you guys please leave like a comment if you have a YouTube account? Just please leave a comment, because I have no comments because I just started my YouTube like yesterday. Yeah. So just please leave a comment in space. So here's a Buzzbee Nerf gun. Boom, boom, boom. Shoots at least 70 feet. Here's a pistol that shoots like 65 feet. Here's a zombie one that shoots like 70 feet. Here's one that shoots 71 feet. Here's another one that shoots 71 feet. And then here's one that shoots like 70 feet.
And
No. It's a Buzzbee.
Air Warrior.
Buzzbee.
Yeah, but it's called an Air Warrior.
Yeah, that's what it's called. But it's an Air Warrior too. Yeah. See, this is an Air Warrior, and
this one's not a Nerf gun. It's just the one we use.
Yeah, I thought it was a Nerf gun, but stupid thing didn't. So please subscribe, and yeah, that's the gun. Shoot. That's it.